Hi, Malik. Hello, Wildcats. Malik, what are we going to do today?
We're going to play new toys and jump in laps.
Well, we're just going to play with this awesome excavator.
And a new monster truck.
Wow, this monster truck looks awesome. Okay. Come on.
Trucks. Look at this truck. And not get in the excavator. And I'll get in the monster truck. Anything happened.
Wow. We turn on the excavator. We press that button right there.
That's not a button. That's a switch.
That's right. It's a switch. Okay. Let's see what the excavator is going to do.
He's going to dig.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Wow.
What is Wow, look at that. Are you giving the dirt back? Woohoo.
Let's use a red monster truck.
Oh, what happened? Look at the cars. Oh, in the dirt. Oh my goodness, look. Whoa, what happened? The race car.
No, that's a
Monster
thing.
truck is out of control. Oh my goodness, what's going on? The race car, and it jumps. Whoa! Oh, look at that. The excavator is going somewhere else. Where are you going, excavator? No, he's rolling over the cars. Oh no, the cars. Do you think the cars are going to be okay?
Yes.
Oh, let's take out the cars. Yes, they are okay. Look at the race car. Wow.
The cars, that was them. Dirty. Hey, you.
Ah. You know what we should do?
Yes.
We should put dirt on the race car. Come on, race car.
You dirty.
Dirty, dirty race car.
Dirty.
Wow.
Dirty. Dirty
Super
man.
dirty.
Dirty.
So we made a hole. Okay. We made a hole. And now we're going to put water inside the hole. And it's going to make a little pool. All right, let's see what the excavator can do. We need to turn it on first.
Need some water. Some water.
Wow.
Some water.
Don't get the excavator away. Malik, not here. Don't put water here.
Ew. But
Okay. big excavator? Or you're having a hard time? Oh, look at that! It's digging. The monster truck is out of the excavator is out of battery.
Yeah.
So?
That's just a new monster truck.
No, what we can do is we can play with the other cars. Right?
Yeah.
And this monster truck. Let's see. Oh! Look at that.
Water.
Oh, all the water. Look, the monster truck is going in the pond. Whoa! Pretty cool. Whoa! The monster truck can go everywhere on the dirt. And the race car too. Let's keep the water going. Monster truck. Well, the race car is not scared to be dirty. Ah, this is what it is when you're tough. You can get dirty, you don't care.
I'm ready.
The car is going in the dirt. Oh. Oh yeah, we probably. You know what we should do now?
What?
We should take the monster car to the car wash. Let's wash the monster truck. Let's wash it. Let's wash. Wash the monster truck. Let's wash it. Wow, the monster truck is all nice and clean now. Look at this. We clean the wheels. We're cleaning the wheels. Wow, look at that. The monster truck is all clean now. So what do we need to do? Yes, let's get it dirty again. Woohoo! Monster truck is dirty again. Oh no, what are we gonna do? I think the monster truck is dirty. Give it a shower. Woohoo, let's wash it. Let's wash it. Let's wash the monster truck. Car. What about the other cars? Oh, I see a car. I see a car right here. Whoa, look at the car. Going in the mud. It's coming out all muddy. Let's give it a shower. And now it's almost clean. No, it's still dirty. Let's wash it. Yay. We need to find the cars. I think they're under the dirt. We lost cars, like they're in the mud. We lost the cars, they're in the mud maybe. We need to dig them out. Look what I found. Look at that. One car. It was all muddy. Look at it. Oh.
Where's the other one?
The other one. Let's look. Oh, look at this. Oh, we found another car. What is that? It's a rock. I think these were all the cars we had. Can we find another one? Not all these are. Oh my goodness, I found another one. My goodness, look at all these cars.
Look, we're
all
gonna
muddy,
clean
all
it.
muddy. We need to clean them. Yeah. Let's clean them.
Clean.
Oh, look at that. You made a nice hole, Malik.
Wait, I found something.
What did you find? Oh, it's a car.
Look.
What did you find? You found more mud. Let's put the water right here. Whoa!
We got it or something.
Look, it's like a little pool. Ah, dirty pool.
Oh no! Look at this car. It's ready to be spun.
Oh, the poor cars are in the mud. They are going somewhere.
Muddy.
It's a long trip in the mud. Na, 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 na. Ah! Oh no! I'm all muddy, I'm all muddy.
Mud. Oh no, mud. No.
Oh, the cars are trying to race, but they can't because they get stuck in the mud. They get stuck in the mud. It's so muddy, we don't know what this car looks like.
It's a blue race car.
Let's put it in the pool. Does it come out all clean?
Ah!
Yeah, we know which car it is. Look, oh, it's the purple car. And then we're gonna put another car. Oh no! This car! What car is this? It's all muddy. Let's put it in the pool.
Ah!
Oh, it's the green car. It's the green car.
Oh, I found something.
Look, we don't know what this car looks like. Put it in the water. Oh, it's the green and black car.
Ah! Look!
Oh,
It's a race car!
it's a race car. Look, the rocket car is going inside the mud. Ah, out of the mud. Ah, we don't know which car it is. Throw in the water. Boop. It is the purple car. Awesome.
Oh no! Ah! Oh no!
We have a car that goes, it's going under the dirt. Whoa! We don't know which car it is. Whoa! Whoa, what is it? What is it, Malik? Oh, it is the green and black car and orange on the bottom. Now let's try the big racing car. The racing car is going. It's going in the water.
I don't know which car it is.
Oh, which car is it? Clean it. Oh, the silver car. Awesome.
Oh no!
Look, this car is going. Whoa.
Malik, is this fun?
Yeah.
Look at me. Is this fun?
Yes.
Okay, so Wildcats, we'll see you later. Say bye.
Bye.